Hello,
Hello,
John. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. So,
Okay.
what is your name? You know mine?
Yes. My name is Ramzan and your name is John Brad. Is it
It
correct?
it is. It is John, yes.
Yes,
So I
awesome.
but I live in Turkey. Where do you live?
I live in India.
In India. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What part of India do you live in?
I am in the northern part. So basically, I am interested to know about your business because in your profile, I read that you are doing some kind of business, right?
Business? No, no business now. I'm retired.
Yeah, retail, kind of retail selling or something.
No. I used to work in the supermarkets when I was younger. So
Uh-huh.
I stopped doing that. Ooh, about 25 years ago, maybe
Okay,
more,
so
maybe 30 years ago.
oh, no problem. So, what's your profession basically?
I do nothing. I'm retired.
I mean, before retirement, what you did?
Oh, for a long time I worked as a car mechanic. So I fixed up cars. I worked at a motor racing circuit. So I worked on race cars as well.
Uh-huh.
And
And
then
now
after that,
you are,
I'm, yeah, I moved to Turkey. And because of the pandemic, I was retrained
uh-huh.
to teach gambling. And I've been doing this, and it's really good fun. I meet interesting
Yeah,
people all around the world.
yes, of course. This is nice job for now. And your age is about 60, right?
54.
Oh, okay.
So
So,
close.
so early you took the retirement, right?
Well, we're quite lucky in England. We have a house that somebody rents, so it's
Uh-huh.
enough money to live in Turkey without having to work because the cost of living in Turkey is much cheaper than England.
Okay, so you mean that your expenses are less and have enough
Yes.
money to survive, so that's why you are not interested to work hard or maybe do something else for your living, right?
Yeah, we don't need to.
Yes,
Oh,
awesome.
yes.
Yeah, that's great. So, other than that, what you will suggest me to improve my English?
Well, your English is not too bad. You're
Hmm.
doing quite well as it is. I mean,
Uh,
how long how long have you been practicing and learning?
I'm actually practicing from last 3 years, and now I am much more focused on my
Okay.
yeah, tone of voice, and you can call it pronunciation and all.
Okay. Very
Yes.
nice. You're doing very well then.